one voice, one set of hands actually goes faster than multiples, but by all means, knock yourselves out, whatever works for you.
Let me roll.
You were right first time. Yes, sir.
I'm trying to stay out and not.
Okay.
Yep.
Not from the arm. No, that's
Yeah, on its own, it's fine. You just don't want to put any weight on that.
okay.
You're lifting a single. Yeah. Now, stop. If you're going to take this apart and you're in the disassembly process, you've taken the pins out, you can put your hands right here and pull, and that should allow this tenon to slide up pretty easily without putting any undue strain on the extended tenons or the glued panels.
You could also just sort of tap it here.
Yep.
Underneath.
Light taps with the hand are totally acceptable, and a light tap with a hammer on the tusk tenons, flip that tusk tenon over, flat to the piece. There we go.
Thank you.
Yes. Excellent. You guys get A's.
Okay.
Now, when stand it up by reaching down, grabbing onto the bottom side, and then lifting the whole unit integrally. There you go. Because you're not completely set on this side.
So you should have grabbed the bottom as opposed to just having up here.
Yeah, when I raise it by the sides.
Oh, okay.
There you go. When you put the tusk tenons in, they're going to loosen. The reason I use this style is specific because they will loosen in humidity. So just a little wiggle, and I can take this out, even if you smack it with a hammer. So that's kind of
Rubber.
Okay, so now we take it from the bottom.
Hold on a second. Hold on a
If
second.
you're going to reach from the
I don't
bottom,
like
grab
how.
either side,
Bar that one in.
Oh, okay.
or
From there. Okay.
yeah, one's a little loose. That whole hole is a little loose. But
Okay.
it's fine. The joys of a custom piece. And I
Bad with two fingers.
not to lift with the stirrup. This is designed to flex in humidity.
Okay. So lift here.
Yeah, the side. And I like to use the actual side.
All right.
Here is fine. This is fine. This isn't.
All right.
This I worry about. This I don't worry about.
Okay. Very good.
Please do that one again.
There may come a time when you have only one person to lift this. Don't try to manhandle it. Do not pick it up by the arms. The only way that I recommend this, if you just have to move it a foot or two, is to put your knees against the seat, grab the back of the seat, and let the panel tilt onto your chest at that speed. Or else. And then walk it and reverse that process. Don't pick up the arms, don't pick up the back.
Two-man lift. Always a two-man lift.
For what? For tapping? Well, here. You guys? Oh.
Perfect.
Right. Because I was.
Totally okay.
The other two are gonna go here.
No, I just looked up.
Right. I was
You.
gonna use. Yeah, I know.
The axe is much safer.